Imagine turning your smartphone into a money-making machine, not by luck, not by gambling, but through the power of cryptocurrency trading. Every single day, thousands of people around the world are earning real income just by understanding how the crypto market works. But the real question is, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Secrets, the place where we break down the complex world of crypto into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Before we start, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to start crypto trading, even if you're an absolute beginner. Let's begin with the basics. Crypto trading isn't gambling, it's a skill. It's about understanding price movements, emotions, and timing. In simple terms, cryptocurrency trading means buying digital currencies when prices are low and selling them when prices rise to make a profit. Unlike traditional stock markets that open and close each day, the crypto market operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This means opportunities are always there, but so are risks, which is why knowledge and patience are key. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets built on blockchain technology, a secure and decentralized system that records every transaction publicly. The first and most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an unknown person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto. Later came Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and thousands of other coins, each designed for different purposes. In crypto trading, you'll often hear about two main types: spot trading and futures trading. Spot trading is simple. You buy a coin and hold it until you want to sell. Futures trading, on the other hand, involves predicting whether the price will go up or down. It's more advanced and riskier, so as a beginner, start with spot trading. Once you understand the basics, the next step is choosing a reliable exchange. Think of an exchange as your online trading shop, the platform where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Popular exchanges include Binance, Bybit, OKX, and Coinbase. When selecting an exchange, focus on security, low fees, an easy interface, and high liquidity. Always enable two-factor authentication for protection and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now comes one of the most important parts of trading: learning how to read charts. Charts are the language of traders. They show when to buy and when to sell. The most common type of chart is the candlestick chart. Each candle represents the price movement over a period of time. It shows where the price opened, where it closed, and how high or low it went. A green candle means price increased. A red one means it fell. You should also learn about support and resistance levels. Support is the price area where the market tends to stop falling and start rising, while resistance is where it stops rising and starts falling. Understanding these simple concepts will help you make smarter trading decisions. However, even the best chart readers can lose money if they ignore risk management. And this is where most beginners fail. The number one rule in trading is simple: protect your capital before chasing profit. Never risk your entire balance on one trade. A smart trader only risks 1 to 2% of their total account per trade. Always use a stop loss to limit potential losses, and take profits when the market is in your favor. Greed destroys more traders than bad luck ever will. Keep a trading journal, record your trades, and review your mistakes. This habit alone can turn you into a consistent trader over time. The next important element is psychology. Trading is not just about numbers, it's about emotions. Fear, greed, and impatience are your biggest enemies. Many beginners panic when prices fall or jump into trades because of FOMO, the fear of missing out. Discipline is your real secret weapon. Follow your trading plan, stick to your strategy, and don't let emotions control your actions. It's okay to take breaks after losing trades. resetting your mindset is part of the process. Remember, trading isn't about winning every single time, it's about being profitable in the long run. As you progress, you'll start exploring different trading strategies. Some traders prefer swing trading, where they hold positions for days or weeks to capture bigger moves. Others like day trading, opening and closing trades within a single day. Then there's scalping, where traders make quick trades to earn small but frequent profits. Choose a style that fits your lifestyle and personality. Use simple technical indicators like the moving average, MA, to spot trends, the relative strength index, RSI, to identify overbought or oversold levels, and the MACD to detect momentum shifts. Combine these tools with market news to make better, data-driven decisions. The crypto world evolves rapidly, so staying updated is critical. Follow trustworthy sources such as CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko for price tracking, and keep an eye on reputable YouTube and Twitter analysts. But be cautious, because the internet is full of fake experts. Always do your own research before investing in any project. Read white papers, understand what each token actually does, and check whether it has real-world use cases or just hype. Knowledge is your most powerful investment. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to learn trading. Begin with a small amount, maybe $50 or $100, and focus on gaining experience instead of fast profits. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, the goal is to build consistency and confidence. Learn the patterns, practice patience, and grow your capital slowly. Over time, you'll develop the instincts of a professional trader who can spot opportunities and avoid traps effortlessly. To summarize, avoid pump and dump coins that are hyped on social media. Don't fall for Telegram signal groups that promise guaranteed profits. Focus on well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and top altcoins until you gain experience. Always store your crypto safely, ideally in a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor, instead of leaving it on an exchange. Most importantly, trust your learning process. Every loss teaches you something valuable. If this video helped you understand the basics of crypto trading, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming lessons. And remember, we're just getting started. Here on Crypto Millionaire Secrets, we'll go even deeper into trading strategies, live setups, and hidden opportunities in the world of cryptocurrency. Drop a comment below and tell us what topic you want to learn next: Bitcoin analysis, altcoin gems, or futures trading strategies. Thanks for watching, and remember, trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep chasing your crypto millionaire dream. See you in the next video, only on Crypto Millionaire Secrets.